Install light fitting with reflectors for direct and indirect lighting. Hi, my name is Charumati. Today we are going to learn about install light fitting with reflectors for direct and indirect lighting. At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to design the light reflectors to a given room according to the working situation. Install and check the effect of light reflection.
Light fittings with reflectors are designed to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of lighting systems. Reflectors are essentially surfaces that are engineered to reflect light in specific directions, which can be useful in a variety of applications. In lighting, reflectors can be used to direct light in a specific direction, reducing waste and increasing the intensity of the light in the desired area. Reflectors can also be used to reduce glare and enhance the overall quality of the lighting. Light fittings with reflectors can come in various shapes and sizes depending on the application. For example, a spotlight might have a reflector that directs light in a narrow beam, while a floodlight might have a reflector that spreads light over a wide area. Light fittings are an essential part of a lighting system as they hold the light source in place and distribute light in the desired direction. They come in a variety of styles, shapes, and sizes to fit different lighting needs and interior design preferences. Direct lighting and indirect lighting are two different types of lighting techniques that are commonly used in indoor environments. Direct lighting is a lighting technique where the light source is aimed directly at the area that needs to be illuminated. This creates a bright and focused light that is useful for tasks that require good visibility, such as reading, cooking, or working at a desk. Direct lighting can be achieved through fixtures such as track lighting, recessed lighting, or pendant lights. Indirect lighting, on the other hand, is a lighting technique where the light source is not aimed directly at the area that needs to be illuminated. Instead, the light is directed at a surface such as a wall or ceiling and reflected to provide a diffuse and more evenly distributed light. This creates a softer and more subtle lighting effect that is often used for creating ambience or mood. Indirect lighting can be achieved through fixtures such as wall sconces, curve lighting, or uplights. Tools required: cutting plier 200 mm, 1 number. Screwdriver 150 mm, 1 number. Drilling machine electric 6 mm capacity with drill bit, 1 number. Materials required: incandescent lamp 100 watts 240 volts with lampshades of similar design, 2 number. Reflector lamp 100 watt 240 volt, 2 number. Silvered bowl lamp 100 watt 240 volts, 2 number. Wiring materials as required. Now, let's begin with the installation. Identify the location and working situation for light reflectors. Carry out the marking for fixing the 2 ceiling roses at close proximity. Carry out the wiring as per the circuit. Check the wiring with a tester. Hang one lampshade to face down and one lampshade upside down with suitable strings. Fix similar type incandescent bulbs in both the shades. Keep some display articles just beneath the lampshades on a table. Give the supply and check the lighting emitted by direct and indirect lights one by one. Check the illumination of the lighting emitted by direct and indirect lights one by one. Change the bulbs of similar variety, say reflector type, of same wattage in the shades. Write the conclusion based on the illumination level and suitability of direct and indirect lighting of displaying mercantile.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to design the light reflectors to a given room according to the working situation. Install and check the effect of light reflection. Thus, we have learned how to install light fitting with reflectors for direct and indirect lighting. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.